Hi, who's ready to help me today? I need some help, boys and girls. I need some help. So I thought, I'm going to ask my friends to see if they can help me out because today I'm looking for friends that will help me do some predicting. Predicting. That means I want you to think what something could be. Okay. I wanted you to predict with numbers today. And we are going to look at measuring. Okay. Measuring. But we're only going to look at one type of measurement for today. Today we're going to look at inches. And inches tell us how long something is. Okay. I'm going to show you some tools. And these are some things that you've seen in the classroom that we've had in our science center. So my first tool is a ruler. You will use these um, when you get into the upper grades. You'll use these to measure things. Now with the ruler, you have to pay attention because they have numbers on the top and numbers on the bottom. Okay. When you go and measure something, you always want to start here. And it's a pretend zero. And then you start with 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like how we count, we always start 0, 1, 2. You do the same thing with the ruler. Okay. And on the other side, there's numbers again. Now, these numbers, if you look really close, are really close together, where these numbers are just a little farther apart. This is the inch, this is centimeters, okay? But I just want to pay attention to the inches. I just want to look at the inches right now, all right? That's one tool that you can use. Our other tool is a tape measure. We've also had these in the classroom where you can go and measure things, okay? And that also has a zero. It goes 1, 2, and so on, okay? And the last thing is a yardstick, okay? A yardstick also starts with 0 and goes down. Now, a yardstick is a little bit longer than a ruler, but not quite as long as my tape measure, because my tape measure can go for a long time. Depends what size of tape measure you have, and it can go for a long way. Where your ruler only goes to 12 and your yardstick goes to 36, because a yardstick is just long. But a yardstick has 36 inches, okay? So when you go to measure something, I'll just keep the yardstick. Remember, you want to stay with the inches. The inches are just kind of separated where the centimeters were close together, all right? So what I did is I just took a straw. I took one straw and I just cut it 3 times, well, 2 times, and made them into different sizes. So with my straw, I need you to help me predict. I was in the mood to predict, and I thought, I want to just ask my friends to do it with me. So I want to make a prediction. I predict that this straw is, are you making your prediction? Make your prediction. How many inches do you think the straw is? Okay. I predict that this straw is 2 inches long. Let's find out. So on my yardstick, remember you always start over here. Start over here and, wait, oh, this way. There. It went past the 2. Was my prediction right? But that's okay because I'm predicting. I can predict that it might snow tomorrow. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. We don't know. But it's okay because it's a prediction. So I predicted it is about 2, and it's like 2.5. A little over 2.5, actually. Okay. Next one. Um, this one. Okay. Make your prediction. I predict that this is 1 inch long. Are you ready? You made your prediction? Okay. I'll put it right there. Line it up. Did I predict right? I did. I did. Awesome. This is a little over one, but that's okay. With predictions, it doesn't have to be right on it. It can just be kind of close to it. Now, if I predicted one and maybe it was five, that would have been way off. Okay. All right. One more. Got your prediction? I predict, let's see if that one was like two. I'm going to say that this is my prediction that this is five. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Wow, it's like six, almost 6.5. That is pretty. My prediction was probably pretty cool. What? What was that? Oh, see, this is why I know I can count on you guys, because you always help me out. I did it wrong, boys and girls. Do you know what I did? I know you know what I did. Oh, Mrs. O'Flaherty, you didn't start over here. I tell you, this is why I need you. This is why I need you guys. All right. What happened? It changed it because before it was like six something, a little over six. And now look, now it's 4 inches. So you always start at zero. Start at zero, okay? Because if not, it's going to give you a different measurement. This is really important if you are building something and say you need it to be like, 7 inches long, and you go and you measure it and you measure it wrong, it's going to make it bad. Not good. Maybe you're thinking, Mrs. O'Flaherty, I love predicting. I want to do some prediction, but I don't have a ruler. I don't have a yardstick. I don't have a tape measure. I can't do it. Boys and girls, there are so many things at home that you can predict with, and I have a few that I'm going to share with you. I found some Q-tips. Do you know that you can predict with Q-tips? You can use those as a measuring tool. They might not have numbers, and that's okay, because you don't always need numbers because you're just making a prediction. I have some paper clips. I can use that to make predictions. Absolutely, you can. And I also just took some Skittles, and I'm just picking out one color, and I picked some Skittles. Yes, you can predict with Skittles too. All right. So I'm going to take one of my straws. All right. And with my straw, I'm going to make a prediction. I think that this straw is 3 Skittles long. All right. Well, let's find out. Are you ready? So I'm going to move these over here. And I said 3 Skittles. So I'm going to put 3 to see. Here I go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now my third one went a little bit over. Okay. So I could actually say it's about 2 Skittles long. So not too bad, not too bad. Because I want to be close to it. Whatever I can do use to be the closest to it is what I want to do. And if I go over, I'd rather be closest to it. All right. Okay. Let's try the other one. Okay. Make your prediction. I predict that this straw is 4 paper clips long. Well, we're going to find out. 1, remember, start all the way there. Now you don't have any numbers. I know you don't have any numbers, but you always want to start at the tip. 2, I said 4, 3, 4. Is the straw 4 paper clips long? No. I can take that one away. Can I take this one away? I think so, because again, whichever is closest. Now, if I put that one on, see how much I'm missing? So my prediction, if you said 3, that's okay too, but it's really closer to just like 2, a little over 2, okay? Maybe I want to use the Q-tips. My prediction is that this straw is 2 Q-tips long. 1, 2. Do I have a lot? I do. If you pick 2, okay. But your better prediction, the best prediction would probably be 1. Sure, there's that there. Maybe you could cut the Q-tips, cut it in half, and then you'd be, my prediction is it's a Q-tip and a half long. Okay? All kinds of predictions. And those were just things I found in the house. Maybe you have beans, maybe you have cereal. I don't know what you have in the house. You'd have to look. Ask mom though. Don't just go take whatever out and without asking for permission. You always want to ask for permission. Well, thank you so much. I am so excited that you were able to share those predictions with me today. Go around the house, see how long maybe a book is or your dresser. Do you know that you can even go outside and you can measure things around the house, whether it's a sidewalk, maybe it's the top of the doghouse. Um, Trees would be kind of hard. You would definitely need some help to see in a long tape measure. Um, but just there's so many things that you can check with inches. So we were checking out inches for our measurement. Um, Hope you had fun with it. I did. And thank you so much for helping me because I know that I can always count on you. All right. Have a wonderful day.